Hi all, today we will discuss a Spring Boot MCQ interview question. So this is the second video for MCQ. So the first question is, what is the primary goal of a Spring Boot? So here these all are the options are there. We have to select one. So what is the primary goal of a Spring Boot? So a Spring Boot provides set of Java API for web window application to support web development with PHP. Third, to create a standalone application with production graded Spring based applications, enhance the performance of Java Virtual. So, which one is the correct in that? So, I think option 3 C will be the correct here. So, if you see here, so this is the answers to create a standalone production grade Spring based application. So, this is the explanations also for this why we are using and all. The second is which version of Java required for the Spring Boot 3? So I think Java 17 is required. So option 3 will C will be the correct answer. So this is the explanation why Spring 3 Java 17 is required. Now the third one is, what is the role of at the rate Spring Boot application annotation in Spring Boot? So if you go for the role, so here it's used for the configuration, enable auto configuration, Spring Boot configuration and component SK. So the option C will be the correct answer here, and this is the explanation. And the fourth one, what is the purpose of a Spring Boot starter? So Spring Boot starters provide the script for this automatically configure the security setting to offer the graphical user interface to provide the set of dependency. I think it will be automatically configure the securities and settings. No, this will be provide this set of convenient dependency descriptors for a specific type of application. So B will be the correct answer. And then which embedded servlet container is not supported by the default in a Spring Boot? Not supported. So Tomcat JT is there. Apache HTTP server, I think. So D is the correct answer. Apache HTTP server is not a part of. And the next question is, how does Spring Boot simplify Maven configuration? So to providing the parent pom for the dependency management. I think A1 will be the correct answer, to provide the pom parent of the dependency management. So this is the explanation is here also. So what is pom and why we are using pom? Now the next question is, what version of Gradle are compatible with the Spring Boot 3? So Gradle 7 or 7.x or 8x is the fine for this Spring Boot 3. So C will be the correct answer. Then the next is, what is the purpose of a Spring Boot actuators? So Spring Boot actuators will monitor the application. So to offer the production set of production ready features, help monitor and manage the application. So B will be the correct answer here. Now the next is, what is the default port of web application in a Spring Boot? So 8080 is the default port of a web application. If you want, you can customize also. So how can you customize the banner in a Spring Boot applications? Just write a add the banner.txt file in class by, so that will be customized. So this is the explanation. So like that we have a multiples interview questions. So these all are the top 10 interview questions of a Spring Boot.